Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I wanted to do an update on Torchlight Energy Resources here. Ticker is TRCH. I've talked about this one, looks like 2 different times back in February. I'll go ahead and link those in the description on February 11th and the 16th. Here you can see what it's done over the 3-month. It's had a great run up over the 3 months. Even if you got into it right about in here, it had a nice run up. So I think there was a lot of profit taking right about in there, and then it's kind of came down and kind of traded kind of sideways is what I would call it. Kind of a run down in the last month and had a nice week going up, another 26%. So in regards to some gas prices, right now I have 20 shares here at $1.83, and I'll show you when I bought those. If you don't know what this one is, they engage in the acquisition, exploration, exploitation, and development of oil and natural gas properties in the United States. And if you have a car and put gas into it in the last month, you've noticed a increase in the price. So this one's been around since 2007, $405 million market cap, and has earnings on, I would assume that would be Monday, so after hours. I bought mine on February 10, 20 shares at $1.83. I had heard about this one, kind of just purchased some shares and just kind of set on it, so, but it's been a good one. I've made a little bit of money on it. Of course, I should have bought more shares, but didn't really research it at the time thoroughly like I usually do, and just purchased some, and it went up, and so, I mean, I'm in the green 56%, so, but, and like I said, earnings is coming up on the 15th. Carry the torch for Torchlight Energy as debts are cleared. This is dated on the 9th, so a couple different articles here. Based in Plano, Texas, is an energy company acquisition development of highly profitable domestic oil fields for commodity market investors. Torch stock offers exposure to rising asset prices and affordable price point. West Texas immediately crude oil has gone on a tear, catapulting from 35 and change per barrel in late October to more than 66 in early March, so almost doubled. And give it another month and I'm sure it will have doubled, if not less. So there are exchange traded funds that you can use to ride the petroleum bull, yet investing in companies with high potential oil assets can magnify your gains in the broader commodities sector uptrend. I don't have a lot of whole investments in the gas and oil like Chevron. There's quite a few I just haven't gotten into them. They're just kind of too volatile for me, but Chevron is one of the main ones. But this one, I like the looks of it, like the price, and it had a lot of talk going about it, and it's ran up, so it's done pretty good by me. So, Torch at a glance on January 25th was an important day for Torch Energy. This was the day when Torch stock regained compliance with NASDAQ exchange listing requirements. So, a lot of good's been going on for Torch here. If the stock's bid price remains below $1 for too long, as you probably already know, the NASDAQ exchange might be to delist that stock. And indeed, Torchlight Energy shares traded below that crucial dollar level in late 2020. So it would have been an excellent time to get into it. Also had that same problem with the dollar price. If you follow my channel, I talk about sundial quite a bit. One of my favorite, which I still call it a penny stock in the MJ field. So Torchlight and Metamaterial to participate in the 33rd Annual ROTH Conference. Torchlight Energy an oil and exploration a developer of high-performance functional materials and nanocomposite products, today announced that they are invited to participate in the 33rd Annual ROTH Conference. And as you can see, this is just dated on Wednesday, 2 days ago. Guest attendance to the ROTH Conference is by invitation only. So be a good catalyst to get invited, and it's always good for the share price and keep the company out there and keep people interested in them. And as you can see, both Torch and Metamaterial right over here, both of them are in the green today. So this is just happening next week, about the 33rd annual. The ROTH Conference will be held virtually on March 15th through the 17th, 2021, and will feature presentations from hundreds of private and public companies to thousands of attendees. So today, if you can find a dip, might be a good time to purchase either one or possibly both of these. So again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but if you have a conference coming up like this and companies are going to be looking at them, and private and public companies and thousands of attendees, the stock is bound to go up. So if it goes down, I would be surprised. So about Metamaterial, Meta delivers previously unachievable performance across a range of applications by inventing, designing, developing, and manufacturing sustainable, highly functional materials. Our extensive technology platform enables leading global brands to deliver breakthrough products to their customer in consumer electronics, 5G communications, which I'm totally into here on the channel, health and wellness, aerospace, I've talked about a number of times, automotive, numerous times, Tesla, Xpeng, Li Auto, and clean energy. I've talked about all these on the channel here. These are all up and coming things to I feel to invest into, because they're all going to go up. So our achievements have been widely recognized, including being named a global clean tech 100 company. And so another great catalyst right there. And you can learn more at metamaterial.com. About Torchlight is based on Plano, Texas, is a high-growth oil and gas exploration and products company with a primary objective in acquisition and development of domestic oil fields. Torchlight has assets focused in West and Central Texas. Their targets have established plays such as Permian Basin. And so some people might speculate, well, why get into oil and gas with all the EVs hitting the market? From what I've understood, the EV is only penetrated about 1 to 3% of the market. So gas and oil, I feel, could be a 2 to 5 year play at the very most for myself. If you have different thoughts on that, you can put those in the comments. But I used to think oil and gas was the thing to invest into. A lot of them give dividends and so on, but that's kind of the thing of the past with me. I don't invest too heavily in them anymore because they're just too up and down. But EVs, I've had more investments here lately, but I can still see investing in EVs and oil and gas, especially a company like this and at this price. So, and with this much action going on. So here's a look at Torchlight on tip ranks. They don't have much going on, probably because of the price. But that is it for Torchlight. I'll probably be doing some more updates on this one next week in regards to the event going on the 15th through the 17th. So I'm sure there'll be some more information coming out at that point. So, and right here it's on the dip, so might be a buying opportunity for you. So 324 down to 278. So Like I said, these are kind of volatile. You can see the up and down, up and down. It's been kind of on the uptrend, but each to his own. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and smash that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel and get the videos out to more people. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for me and hit that bell so you're notified of when my next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.